the life, we're going to use the chain making a simple bracelet and a charm necklace. Okay. Today, let's go into make the silver color. This one is this kind of the chain, the flat, and the size is like this. Then, if we are going to make the jewelry, we can use it to attach with some dingle beads or wrap it together like this. Here, cover it. Okay, so here let's go to make a very simple bracelet by this chain. Silver color. And let's use the wire 0.5. This is the 0.5. We can use this one to string the beads on.它这个是一起加上去了哈。Your total heart beads is 89, dear. 89 is your total heart beads. Yeah, 89 is your total, dear. Okay. Yes, thank you. Double link chain. Maybe by 0.4 is more easy. So I'm going to use the 0.4. Hi, Tanya N. Happy to see you. Tanya N, I sent you a picture for the Glass Pro on your WA. Last time you claimed the Glass Pro and you want to choose the color. So I've sent you a picture. You can check. Thank you. I'm good. Thank you. Okay. Cute. So here we cut this chain in a bracelet size. Okay. This one is a chain, the design like this is not so much. It's very soft, and I'm going to use this one make a ball pin. Go to dangle it here. It's this way cut. Make the ball pin and dangle it here. Wrap it. Cut. Wrap it tight. And up here. Up. Hi, Anya. Do you have a silk note tutorial? Silk note. Silk note for use for what? Yeah, for which kind of the design? Silk note. Okay. Silk note. Silk note 丝节 for necklace. I'm not very understand the silk note. Maybe the translator problem. Silk note. Use the cord or use the wire? Using silk cord to tie knots in order to make a beads necklace. No. Maybe you can send me a picture on WA or message. I can see which kind of the note. Hi, Cos9. Happy to see you. Because there are many different notes. Some note I know how to do, some note I don't know. There are many different way to make a note. Here. If you can send me a picture about the note, it will be more helpful to understand, dear. Thank you, my friends. Today we are going to make a very simple bracelet at the beginning. Thank you, my friends. Here is a channel shows you how to making the jewelry by ourselves. If you are first time in my live streaming, here will be a nice place for you to learn the very basic jewelry making. Here. Hi, I'll say link. Stella is check what you want. Thank you. We are going to make a bracelet. Here. One more. Hi, Snack. Hello, just send a picture. Okay, let me have. You want to learn this note? Okay, I'm going to show you later. Wait for a moment. I'm going to show you later. This one we know how to make. Here. Wrap. Tie it. Okay. So this one is a very simple bracelet we just done. Okay, here. Then I need going to use extender tree. I know how to make that note. I will show you later, dear. Let me show you after I finish this bracelet. Here. Open it, this one. Here need hang with 2 link. It's a way that to share with you how to making the jewelry by ourselves. Also 2 link. Here. This is the way make a very simple bracelet. Here the extender chain I left it long enough. if you are don't want the so much long extender, you can cut it 1 inch. Here I left it 2 inches long, but you can cut it shorter. Okay, so a very simple bracelet done. Next, let me show you how to